Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds Redmi Buds 6 Pro on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and then go to the search at the right bottom. Then click at the search line at the top and write Xiaomi. Search. Scroll down just a bit and we need to install this application, what called Xiaomi Earbuds. Now open it. Click that you read, then agree. Right here select your region by tap on it. You can use a search or you can find your region here at the list. And then click next. I'm going to skip it. Right here you need to click allow and add earphones. And we did it! In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!